Is it the right time to buy or sell NVIDIA stock? Today, we're delving deep into NVIDIA, providing you with an even more comprehensive analysis. We initially published a report on our website on Thursday, February 15, 2024. Stay informed by subscribing, liking this video, and turning on notifications. We'll keep you updated on all the important developments that could impact your investments. Empower your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 5, 2024, our system has identified NVIDIA as a promising investment, marking it as a buy candidate with a score of 2.94. Now, let's examine how the stock has performed during this time. Investors who followed our analysis would have experienced an impressive 47.99% gain since we initially recommended NVIDIA as a buy candidate 29 days ago. This translates to an average daily return of 1.65% since it was classified as a buy candidate. The stock is currently in a strong and upward trend in the short term. This presents a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders, as we may see a reaction that brings the stock back towards the lower part of the trend. However, if the stock breaks above the top trend line at $743.25, it would indicate an even stronger rate of rising. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a projected change of 53.62% over the next 3 months. This suggests a possible return ranging between 27.55% and 57.15%. Meanwhile, the 12-month trend indicates a potential change of 94.11% over the next year. This could result in a return ranging between 36.89% and 97.81%. Based on this, we can expect the stock's price to be in the range of $994.60 to $1,437.26 after a year. Our latest update for NVIDIA reveals exciting news. NVIDIA stock has been upgraded from hold/accumulate to buy candidate following Thursday's trading session. On Thursday, February 15, 2024, the NVIDIA stock price experienced a decline of 1.68%, dropping from $739 to $726.58. Throughout the trading day, the stock's value fluctuated by 2.14%, reaching a low of $724.01 and a high of $739.48. It's worth noting that the stock has shown an upward trend in 6 out of the last 10 days, resulting in a remarkable 15.28% increase over the past 2 weeks. Interestingly, the trading volume also decreased alongside the stock price, which is typically considered a positive sign. Specifically, the trading volume decreased by 9 million shares on the last day, with a total of 41 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $30.10 billion. Looking at the stock's performance over the past 52 weeks, we observe that the highest price reached $746.11, while the lowest price was $204.21. Currently, the stock is trading at a 2.62% discount, equivalent to $19.53, compared to its 52-week high of $746.11. It's important to highlight that this highest price also represents the all-time high for the stock. Today, let's talk about analyst ratings for NVIDIA. On Wednesday, February 14, 2024, Susquehanna gave NVIDIA a positive grade with a hold action. Moving to Wednesday, February 7, 2024, Morgan Stanley gave NVIDIA an overweight grade with a hold action. On Monday, February 5, 2024, Wells Fargo gave NVIDIA a buy grade with a hold action. Going back to Wednesday, January 31, 2024, Wedbush gave NVIDIA an outperform grade with a hold action. Finally, on Friday, January 19, 2024, Raymond James gave NVIDIA a strong buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have unanimously given NVIDIA stock a strong buy rating. They have categorized the PE ratio and price to book as strong buy. Furthermore, the analysts have assigned a strong buy rating for return on investment. In this video, we will discuss the signals that have been identified for NVIDIA. The NVIDIA stock has received buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relation between these two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. In case of corrections downwards, there will be support from the lines at $718.30 and $599.84. However, if the stock falls below these levels, sell signals will be issued. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. It's important to note that some negative signals have also been issued, which may have an impact on the near short-term development of the stock. On Wednesday, February 14, 2024, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, resulting in a minus 1.68% decrease in the stock price so far. It is expected to continue falling until a new bottom pivot has been found. It's worth mentioning that the volume of trading also decreased along with the price during the last trading day, which reduces the overall risk as volume tends to follow price movements. Today, I want to share with you some interesting signals to consider in your trading strategy. The moving average convergence divergence indicator is currently showing a buy signal. The pivots indicator gave a sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger Bands indicator generated a buy signal 23 days ago. The short-term moving average is indicating a buy signal since 30 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average is signaling a buy since 30 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart to gain more insights. The short moving average has been indicating a buy signal for the past 30 days. The long-term moving average also confirmed a buy signal 72 days ago. Additionally, the relation between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 62 days ago. If you want to explore more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. In this video, we'll discuss support, risk, and stop loss for NVIDIA. NVIDIA currently has support from accumulated volume at $722.48. This support level presents a potential buying opportunity as we can expect an upwards reaction when it is tested. However, it's important to note that this stock exhibits high volatility, meaning it may experience significant price fluctuations throughout the day. Additionally, the wide prediction interval from the Bollinger Band indicates that this stock carries a higher risk. Over the past day, NVIDIA's stock price moved between its high and low points by $15.47, or 2.14%. On average, the stock has shown a daily volatility of 3.67% over the past week. Before we jump into discussing the potential trading levels for NVIDIA, let's take a moment to go over some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A high P/E ratio could suggest that the stock is overvalued or that investors anticipate significant future growth. Moving on to other news, the next earnings report for Q1 2024 is expected to be released on February 21, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for earnings stand at $4.51. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers as they can have a significant impact on stock prices. Today, let's dive into some potential day trading levels for NVIDIA. If the stock shows an upward trend, the first resistance level for NVIDIA is at $739. If you're not already invested, it might be wise to wait until this level is breached before entering a position. However, if you're already holding the stock, this could be a potential level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, NVIDIA faces its first support level at $722.48. If this support level holds, it could serve as a promising entry point, with hopes for a rebound. Welcome back. In this video we'll be discussing the financial outlook for NVIDIA based on recent insider trades. According to multiple analyst sources, the combined average rating for NVIDIA is a strong buy. Now, let's dive into some interesting details about the recent insider trades. One notable insider, Mark A. Stevens, has been actively involved in trading NVIDIA shares and options. In the most recent 5 trades, he both bought and sold a total of 71,648 shares or options in the company. Turning our attention to the broader picture, based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of -33.379. To provide more context, insiders have purchased a total of 450,407 shares and sold 917,509 shares in the last 100 trades. We recommend setting the stop loss at $697.09, which is a decrease of 4.06%. This particular stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which inherently involves higher risk. Additionally, the RSI 14 indicator is currently at 79, further increasing the overall risk. Furthermore, a sell signal has been detected from a recent pivot top observed 1 day ago. Is NVIDIA stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, we believe NVIDIA stock presents a buying opportunity in the short term. Multiple positive signals and a favorable trend indicate potential for strong performance. Furthermore, our systems have determined that the current price of NVIDIA stock is undervalued, adding to its appeal. Looking ahead to Friday, February 16th, we anticipate NVIDIA to open at $730.02, reflecting an increase of $3.44 from the previous day's close. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. Therefore, it's crucial that you consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. We're excited to present to you our current view of the stock. We'd love to hear your thoughts on whether you agree or disagree, so please comment below and share your insights. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. As always, we wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. Sending regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.